Huge shout out to ROC Outdoors for sending me this board, man. I got a paddle adventure on the water tomorrow, 24 hours staying overnight. Never done one of these unboxing videos, so bear with me. But let's get started. This thing is huge. This one gets a special knife, Damascus. Little tiny cup, little tiny. I hope you can see it. So we got this one too. Ooh! Got all the goodies. Nice bag. So you can put the whole board in. Dude, I love the fact that it's a backpack. What's up, buddy? What's your buddy? What's your buddy? You're gonna get dog hair everywhere. Oh! Got the pump. Oh, nice, man. It's got a gauge on it. My other one didn't have a gauge. This is really nice. This is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be really nice. Got the hose, the bare naked hose. Gasket, 10 minutes later. Oh man, dry bag, I forgot. It's those little things, man. Like a dry bag like this to keep your stuff nice, you know, safe. Woo! Nice. A new oar. This is going to be amazing. I broke my other oar because it got a little intense on the water. A leash? Drum roll, please. All right, too much, too much. Woo! Hi-ya! Oh man, this looks so nice. Woo! Oh, it's like a candy store. Little pins. Oh man. Dude, I am so pumped. I'm so pumped. So like, little backstory. When I first wanted this board, this was the one I wanted. We went with another one, and I absolutely loved that board. It was the first paddle board I ever went with. I wanted something for the family. This was the board I originally wanted, and it's funny how life manifests itself into these different things, you know? Yeah, long story short, this was the original board I wanted, and I can't thank you enough, ROC. For real, thank you for sending me this board. It's gonna be an epic trip tomorrow. Absolutely gorgeous board. All right, let's pump it up. Attach this piece, twist, start pumping. Bro, look at this. You like it? It look cool? Super excited. Shout out to ROC Outdoors.